Hi friends, I found this screwdriver at the Fairport Tool Thrift Shop. I'd like to invite everyone to stop by. It's a great place to pick up your tools when you're in Western New York. It's located right outside of Rochester, and it's a fun place to hang out. Anyway, this screwdriver came in, and someone tells me that it was imported all the way from jolly old England. Now, if you're watching this in England, it's just a local screwdriver. So step one was scraping off all of this lovely patina. Scraping is my second favorite woodworking activity, followed only by sanding. When I first started scraping this screwdriver, I wasn't sure if this bottom part was wood or if it was more of the brass ferrule. It turns out it was wood. It turns out these scratches that were on the side that I thought were scratches were intentional. A lot of stuff hidden underneath all of that. I sanded my way through several grits. Didn't want to take away all of the interest that this item had seen, but thought I could get quite a bit. And then it was off to my favorite, the wire wheel. And then more sanding. Two coats of Minwax gun stock were applied, followed by 3 coats of semi-gloss polyurethane to achieve these results. And as always, your obligatory before and after shots. I hope you liked the video. If you did, I hope you'll consider liking or maybe even subscribing. That's the best way to help out the channel because it makes me feel good and warm and fuzzy inside. Thanks for stopping by.